Okay, so we got Ian and Moose in the shop with us today.
Moose, can you hold that for me?
We've been working on the wiring harness some more. Ian's been lots of help, mostly motivation to actually do something.
I just commentate everything that happens.
Yeah, so we got the harness ran through the firewall, and then everything's kind of organized on the inside, and Ian ran the harness to the back a little bit. And yeah, that's what we've been doing. I think Ian's going to try and be more part of the channel.
Yeah, what are we even doing next right now?
That's a great question. Okay, what we got going on here? You see the holes? Oh, you got?
Yeah.
That's the wrong way.
I just wanted it to like stay in one spot. I couldn't see the other one. I just saw the one, so I just threw it in.
So Ian's working on the wiring in here. I'm going to pull this. These 3 wires go to the ignition. I'm going to pull those out, run them back into the cab, and then probably pull the steering column out so that it's easier to work on. All right, so it's been a minute or two, Christmas and cold stuff, so we weren't working on it. But okay, so where we left off was Ian had all this stuff pinned out and ready to go. I think that's what he got done. We pulled the column out. Come around this way. I got this nicely loomed. Ran over to here. All nice and tidy and loomed. And we got, I don't know which one's high beam, low beam, and blinker. But me, being me, I forgot a very important light. And that is the marker lights. So it's loomed all nice and pretty, but I don't have the wire for the marker lights in place. All right, so got all that off. I'm gonna set this in there to get it to fit down inside the frame rail there. I think if I cut it off up here, right in this region where the pieces come together, I can make it work. So like right in this region here, cut it off there, and then weld the V-band onto it. Maybe make it work. I don't know. The thing that I'm thinking about doing is I'll just quickly come around and yank this one off, put it on this side upside down, and see where we're at there. See how that looks. All right. So there's that on there. It would put the turbo in a good spot, I would think, but they're kind of ugly. At the same time, I don't know that I really care. I'd take this heat shield off and get rid of that because I don't think I'm going to need it. I got plenty of room. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you guys think. Stock manifolds forward and up, stock manifolds forward and down, or those ones over there. I'm kind of leaning towards these. I like these better, and they're cast so that they're stronger, so I don't have to have the turbos supported on the fenders, inner fenders, so I can have a little bit more room. I can just have them cut this off, obviously, put a V-band on it, get a V-band to T3, T4 flange that's a 90, mount the turbo here, and then run the exhaust back down. And then the other plus side, doing stock manifolds, spark plug access is awesome. With the other manifolds, I'm going to have to do some machining or grinding. The flanges here, they stick down quite a ways, and they cover up the spark plug holes. So, yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think. But I'm going to say that's it for now. I'll get this video edited and uploaded, and we will see you guys in the next one. Next episode, the bed's coming off, and got some big changes to the truck. It's going to require paint, and bodywork. And let's see here. That right there. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.